Hello, I'm Benuis Doggerman. We're going to do some unboxing with Benuis. And I have a variety of things that I've just grabbed from my room. And I'm going to unbox them for you. Let's start with this one. Cool little life hack you can do with this one. It's actually quite cool because it's not actually a thing inside, but you could leave. This is a life hack. You could leave this on a park bench, right? Just leave it here like this and walk away. Make sure you're in front of a CCTV cam, and that's how you get free food and shelter for fucking life. It doesn't matter, just keep doing it. So anyway, I have this device right here. As you can see, it lights up. It's pretty cool. Epic. This is going to tell us if there's ghosts inside of our products. Let's see if there's any ghosts inside our first product, which I'm going to open. This little devil. Let's see if there's any ghosts inside of it first. If it goes red like I just did then, there might be a ghost inside of it. It's blinking. If there's any ghosts in it. Luckily for me, huh? Alright. I'm gonna get the little devil out. I'm gonna grab a random battery that may or may not be charged. But I'm not fucking charging them. If it don't work, it don't work. You get what you fucking give it. You get what you give it! I don't really know how this fucking works. I don't know if I need to turn it on. Or what? How do I turn this thing on? Has it got batteries in it? Oh, it's got batteries in it. It's got a lot of fucking batteries in it. Can I fucking close that piece of shit? I think the bomb's been fucking activated. I really have no fucking idea what I'm doing. Maybe I need to turn this on? I think we're good to go. Maybe. Well, this fucking thing doesn't work. That was fucking pointless. I'm gonna fucking gutter stomp it very soon. Alrighty, well, that was a failure. Lucky we have plenty more items to review. We've got a toy car here. The Audi R8. Oh, fuck. Let's see if there's any ghosts inside the Audi R8. There's a lot of loose things in there. Probably when I threw it, maybe it broke. It's on. Any ghosts in there? No, lucky. Very lucky, actually. Thought this one was haunted. Okay. That's the cool me down. Prospector Zeke likes to sit up there and... Fuck, that's not gonna open it. Prospector Zeke likes to sit up there and chill out sometimes. So I let I come down here sometimes and the fan's spinning. It's pretty weird. Oh, fuck. Who's got the controller? Classic RC controller. Very cool. Very epic. Woo. We've got the car. Okay. It's on. Where do I turn the controller on? Oh, yeah. Do a burnout. Do a market. Whoa. Whatever, cunt. Oh, fuck. Alrighty, that was epic. That was actually fun. That was actually really fun. Oh, me fucking car! Never fucking doing this again. Now this one is actually haunted. This thing is actually haunted by a famous person called Gabe Newell. So I'm gonna need this. When it goes red, oh fuck, like I just did then, that means there's something around. So you need to be very careful, alright, okay? If you guys see it go red, oh fuck, I just turned it off and on, but I don't know when it's meant to do that. If you see it go red, tell me. Oh my god. Oh my god. I've actually read this online that if the disc isn't in there, then Gabe Newell's actually taken it and you can never play it again. Oh my god. It's not fucking in it. Guys, no, I have to give away the key code. Because I can't play it anymore. Holy shit, the whole fucking house is doing it. If you can see that code, congratulations. You didn't get Half-Life. Because you need the disc. And Gabe Newell stole the disc, so... unfucking fortunate. Alright, luckily, and thank fucking godly, fuck me, we're on our last product here. Which is actually pretty cool. Trash packs. I have a lot. A whole fucking tub full of them. Look at these little guys. I'm gonna find my favourite one. I'm really not gonna look for all of them. And then I'm gonna tell you my favourite. These are one of the guys. So if you've played 7 Days to Die, you'll actually know that that's one of the guys. That's one of the characters in 7 Days to Die, and he eats your head. He's a head crab. He's the head crabs. They're pretty cool. What else we got in here? If you've ever played Hotline Miami, that's Jacket. Now, I think there's one more good one. I think I'll show you my favourite one. Well, this isn't my favourite one, but this is actually Rand drinking a Dr. Pepper. And this is my favourite one. This cool little guy. And you can put them all on your pencil. It's really cool. I have all the collectible teams that they come in. And the list just goes on. Like, I got this cool thing where you can join their online game. Oh no, it's not their game. It's actually a fucking colouring in book. There's a colouring in book. As you can tell, I haven't done any of the fucking colouring in, because that's just gay. And I got a couple charts to tell you what their rarity is. Just a couple, and by a couple I mean 70 magazines. Let me get one more out for the camera. Wait, there's a note in here. There's a note in here. $108 trash packs. What does that mean? I really don't know what that means, but that's actually kind of scary. Well, that's all for today. Hope you all enjoyed this Benuis unboxing. If you did, make sure the smack... Oh, fuck, I forgot to... It's still on. Why is it blinking red? If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe. And I'm sure there'll be more Benuis unboxings coming right your fucking way. So sit tight, enjoy, subscribe to the channel, make yourself comfortable. Suck my dick. We're out.